Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile in 1 GB RAM without lag. Full guide. Tap Settings, then Graphics, and set quality to low, disable anti-aliasing. Limit FPS to 30 to reduce memory load. Close background apps, clear cache, and use a lightweight launcher to free RAM quickly. Lower resolution and disable unnecessary effects for smoother input and fewer stutters during firefights, and practice in training mode. Start by cleaning storage and removing apps you do not use to free up important memory. Disable background, sync for heavy apps, and use battery saver only if it does not throttle CPU too much. Consider a lightweight file cleaner to clear cache before play and restart your phone for a fresh session. These steps cut micro stutters and help the game allocate more resources where they matter most for smoother matches. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: I use Little Tree's black ice in my car. It smells great and keeps the ride pleasant between matches. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too and support the channel. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust controls to match the lower frame rate so your aim feels predictable instead of twitchy. Simplify the HUD and hide extra buttons to reduce on-screen objects the game must render. Use wired earphones for consistent audio latency and test firing in a training area to find the right sensitivity. Small control tweaks paired with visual cuts give you a more reliable competitive experience on limited hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.